Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to download and install Minecraft on your PC or laptop. Minecraft is a highly rated game offering diverse experiences including solo play, world building, survival mode, creative mode, and online multiplayer mini games on various servers. There are two main computer versions, which is Minecraft Java Edition, which is the classic version, and Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which is playable on multiple devices. This tutorial covers both, focusing on primarily on Java Edition, then Bedrock. So follow the instructions carefully and do not skip any parts. Choose the one that suits you the best. So Minecraft is a paid game. If you don't own it, you'll need to purchase it first, and this guide will show you how. First, let's go ahead and use the Minecraft website, which is minecraft.net. Then after, click on Buy Now in the top right corner, which is highlighted in green color. Now you'll have different options right here. Select Minecraft from the options, and you need to select your platform. Once you do that, you'll get three different options of Ultimate Collection, which cost you around $49.99, Deluxe Collection, which is for $39.99, and Standard Edition, which is for $29.99. Now select the one that you prefer. Then after, go ahead and click on Checkout from the bottom right, which is highlighted in green color. And you can either sign up or sign in with your Microsoft account as well. I'm going to go with Microsoft account. And the account will be used later to sign in to the launcher. You need to complete your purchase. And once downloaded, open your file explorer and locate the file named minecraftinstaller.exe. And in the launcher, you'll see options for Minecraft Java and Minecraft Bedrock Edition on the left, and you'll see your installed version. Select a desired version and press on play, and the launcher will download necessary files and the game will start. Another thing you can do is you can download the Minecraft launcher from your Microsoft Store as well. So launch your Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and search for Minecraft. Once you do that, in the results section, you'll get the Minecraft launcher and the Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition option. You can download the Minecraft launcher directly, or you also have the option to play with Game Pass as well. And then you can download and install Minecraft launcher on your device. Once downloaded, click on Open and sign in with the same Microsoft account linked to your Minecraft purchase. This concludes the installation guide. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.